Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to combine photos on CapCut PC. So I'm using CapCut on PC instead of mobile phone, since PC is much more easier, I think, since I have ability to more accurate to drag and drop and so on. So here I have two photos already imported into my CapCut library, and then I will drag it for the first one, and then the second one I want to combine. You just drag it on another timeline. So don't put on the after the first photo, but you put it on the upper of the first photo. So wait for a while. As you can see right now, my photos is uh, my my first photo is not showing, since it right behind my second photo. What you have to do, you just adjust the photos. You just, for instance, I'll click the second photos here, and I will move it to the right, let's say on the center of the frame, and then the second one I will put it on the left on the screen. See, as you can see, I'm already combined. Also, if you want to make it an overlay, what you have to do, your, let's say, your second photos, you just adjust the size and then put it whatever you want. For instance, on here, now you have two photos combined on your camera. Okay, that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.